Hi there, welcome to my fourth new Java tutorial. In this tutorial we're going to continue on learning about variables. So in the last tutorial we learned about integers, floats and doubles. There's a few more and I'm going to show you them now. So the first one is it's called a Boolean variable. It's very simple. It is you type in Boolean, obviously give your variable a name. I'm going to call it yes, no, because a Boolean variable has only two possible values, true or false, and really you just write true or false. That is all a Boolean variable is, and it is very useful sometimes for keeping track of whether things have happened or not. But you'll find it's very useful as you go along building up bigger programs. There's not really much more I can tell you about them. That's really all they do. One more is char. Okay, and a char variable is a letter or a character, an alphanumeric digit of some or alphanumeric character of some description. Now, before I told you that a string, if you're using text, goes in speech marks, which is true. However, if it's only one letter, or in other words a char variable, then it is two single quote marks or apostrophes, whatever you want to call them, and you can put in, say, G or an O, but if I could put in any longer than one character, it'll give me an error. So it only stores one character. In most cases that's not very useful. So the people at Java invented a thing called a string. Now you'll notice this doesn't go purple. The reason because and you'll also notice that capital S, just like up here. This is important, it must have a capital S. The reason for this is it is a class that people at Java made. It's not a built-in data type like integer or float or double or bool or char. It is a one that someone's made. So this is you're referring to a class. Just like you're referring to, you know, system.out here, you're referring to the string class as such. There we go. If you can hold over it. There you go. The string class represents characters. Okay, and it gives you an example as well here, so you can give it a name. So you just use it the same as you would a normal variable. So you can call it. Now, yeah, you can also store numbers in it. That's not a problem. So if I run this now, it'll print out down here. It'll print out 1, 2, 3. Okay. I can do ABC. This will also work. Now, the one difference is if I do 1, 2, 3, and I try to, you see, I can't perform any calculations in this because it's saying take this as text, not as a value. So I can't, if I do plus 234, it will just print out 1, 2, 3, 2, 3, 4. It won't actually add them together. So be aware of that. I can't do that. Well, if you see, if I run this here, it'll provide this number here. It knows that you can't actually add an integer to a string, so it takes it as a string. That's not good programming practice, so don't do it. So yeah, that is how you use string variables. You can add string variables together. There's loads you can do with string variables, which we will learn in later tutorials. But for now, that's all I wanted to show you. Just the other different variable types available in Java. So thanks for watching. Check out my next tutorial, and please subscribe.